Nasa sukat tayo ngayon. May dadalawin tayong I've not been here since the last time I visited her. Magandang panahon, maulap, malamig, hindi maaraw. Tapos dapit hapon na. So this is the main road. The main road is called ang ingay, merong may motor dyan. Anong ginagawa ng motor? May pump. So this is Sampaguita Avenue. Kakaliwa tayo ngayon sa Rizal, tuloy-tuloy. Papunta dun sa, ang tawag nila, Lakeview Lawn. So, I kinda know where it is, but I made sure somehow that I can find it faster. So I dropped by the office and asked for a map. Because the last time I did something similar in Marikina naman. Ang tagal kong nahanap. So this time, nagpatulong talaga tayo. Ang sarap ng amoy dito sa sementeryo. Lalo na sa portions na may mga newly cut grasses. I like the smell of newly cut grasses. Very refreshing, very sweet. I can smell it now. Utang ko lang ngayon is medyo nagbabadya ang langit. So hopefully hindi mahulog itong tubig from that fat dark clouds. But I came prepared naman. Meron tayong dalang payong. So ang pinunta ko sa sukat was I paid something. So pwedeng bayaran through BDO. I could have done it anywhere in Manila. Pero sabi ko dito na lang sa sukat because it's accessible by the LRT. Plus I was thinking I would also take that opportunity to come and visit. Ang lalaki ng mga lungon doon, no? Yung mga pantyon. Ang lalaki. Yung pupuntahan natin under the lupa siya. Silang dalawa. She's actually a cousin sa side ng mga kapatid ko. I attended her funeral. That was kinda, I forgot when. Pero may videos ako doon. Somewhere around in YouTube. So ito may bridge na. Banda dyan. Hello? You hear voices. Kasi may mga nagja-jogging sa area na to. Ginawa nilang park. Well, okay din siguro. I think the admin allows it siguro para may tao naman. So, pag natawid natin yung bridge na yan, I suppose that is the lake. I will consult the map again. Sarap ng hangin. Can you hear the birds chirping? Some of them are early na umuwi sa bahay nila. Umayang hapon siguro. Mas madilim, mas marami nang magdadatingan ng mga inuman. So ito, okay, ito na, Lakeview na tayo. I think, let me just make a touchdown on the bridge. Oh my God, kay Tim, the canal is so canaling. Ang itim ng water. Pero mababaw lang. I will not show it to you anymore. Ayan. Now my memory does not have to be juggled so hard because I already remembers this portion. So the plot should be around this area. In the map there were lesser trees. Now there are more trees. Hanapin natin. And the search begins. You know what I will do this time? I will pin it in Google Maps para it's easier to find next time. Diyan nagpark ang mga cars dati. Some of the cars. Tapos I clearly remember these mga malaking libingan na yan. So here we are. It's called the Lakeview Lawns. Okay, now I remember. Oh yeah, there's a pathway. I remember parang I sat in one of those trees. I could remember that kinda after lunch moment because it was so hot. So I really had to take shelter. Tapos may magandang ipis. Parang gold, copper. Oh my God, doon galing yung ang baho-baho niya. Pero ang ganda-ganda ng ipis na yun. So now, wala akong plot pag namatay ako. Maybe yun ang ating gagawin. Padahan-dahan if we have extra money. Mas marami tayong mga due dates everywhere. So I was so glad I got the best Christmas gift this last December from two sisters. Not mine, not biological sisters. Ang ingay ng grass shredder. So it should be around this area. Kalimutan ko kung dito ba ako nakatayo nun or dito. So banda dito yun. Tinanong ako kung may caretaker daw ako. Because sila siguro yung family may caretaker. Ako wala. Kasi bibisita lang ako. Tapos wala naman tayong dalang cash. So wala tayong pang-tip. So hindi naman siya nagkusang loob. So talagang kailangan ipin siya talaga next time. Kasi this is not the first time that I came here. Nakilibing na ako. Dumalaw pa ako dati. Yeah. Si Elnora, the Mudra, is nakalibing sa Catholic cemetery, public cemetery sa Negros. So before the last time I went to Negros was the February of 2020. That was before the lockdown. I've never been back kasi I'm not the type that goes home because let's schedule a go home. I'm the type that goes to a certain place out of impulse. Suddenly one day I wake up and I feel I want to go to this place. And then there's a strong energy that draws me towards it. May pera o wala, maghahanap tayo ng plane ticket. Mahal or mura, bibili natin yung plane ticket. So lately, if there's money to buy tickets with, ang pool ng ating impulse is go to Baguio. Nakailang Baguio kami after the opening from the pandemic. Tapos the earliest place that we went to was Vegan after also the pandemic. Then dalawa o tatlong Cebu na tayo. But Negros is not there yet. Hindi tinatawag ang ating puso. Nakailang minutes ba na tayo? Hindi ko na siya makita. It's somewhere this puno daw, but there's so many puno. Magkatabi yan sila because parang wala pang 2 years. The husband died after Manang died. I'm doing this because you and my mother, si Elnora, was in the hospital. Ilang beses siya pumunta sa heart center. Hindi lang dumalaw. Parang she'd spend half a day almost sitting with my mom inside the room. We did not have a private room. Alam mo yung tatluhan. I found them. The husband, May 17, 2019. So that was before the pandemic. Tapos si Manang, 2017. Malapit na yung birthday niya sa March. So, she was called Mamita by the Apos. Meron nakalagay baby. Died October 26, 2015. Then there's another one, baby girl. Died May 1978. Oh gosh. I did not know. 2015. Pero itong si girl, baby girl, 1978. Si Manang died September 18, 2017. So we found it. Is this the puno where I sat? No, that's not the puno where I sat. It's so small. But that should be a marker next time. Because this is the puno. No, but what I will do now is pin its Google map. So let me just do one pan from left to right, so that if you want to come and visit this part of the cemetery, that would be your marker. Then that street there is Tangile. And look at those big bahay ng mga patay. So magmumuni-muni na tayo. So kasama niya ng brother ko. My Elnora's eldest son died last year. So mag-go 1 year na yun. So magkakasama na sila. Do you believe in the afterlife? Is there an afterlife? Anyway, I'm glad I came. Matagal ko na itong gustong pumunta. I made a vlog a few years ago that took me forever to finish, until one day I just gave up. Why did it take me forever to finish? Because I could not edit it initially and finish it, because I wanted to include this one and another friend na nasa NAIA 3 sa Newport, naka-imlay ang mga ashes. So hindi ko sila mapuntahan, or when I go, hindi lang tayo mag-isa, so we cannot just say, oh, let me detour a bit. So now that we're alone and we have the time all to ourselves, eto na yun. So hindi ko na siya nasama dun sa vlog ko na Cementerio ang title ko. So this would be a standalone, but I don't know where to put it kasi parang it's too focused to be shared to the public, which I don't have. I fondly call my vlog publicly private. It's out there but nobody really knows. Or privately public, nobody really knows, but it's out in the open. If anyone stumbles upon it, you're free to watch it. We will decide whether to kasi when Manang died, I was not formally vlogging. It was not my vlogging era. But I took a lot of videos and dumped it into my personal profile. So I don't know if I lump it together so that people who will see it can see it along with the other vlogs of people who died. See, my brother also in-law died, so I went to Cagayan de Oro, took some videos. So yun, siguro doon na lang sa personal ko profile, it's more private. It's a Tuesday here where I am now. Yeah, January 2026. Bye!